City lights in a silver glow, lines that flow like they already know. Every curve with a purpose drawn, from dusk till night and into dawn. A lion's gaze in the headlights gleam, a modern shape from a designer's dream. Every road, every need, there's a form that fits your speed. Peugeot designed to move you, every style, every point of view. From city spark to open drive, a world of motion brought to life. Hybrid, smooth or electric free, there's a perfect rhythm for you and me. Compact runs through narrow streets, SUV strength where comfort meets. Family space or a sporty line, every model fits your time. From day